Hey, it's Jim from Delano Mountain Custom Models. Got a client's SP GP7. Did all the custom weathering on it, did all the custom lighting on it. It had sound, but the soundboard was messed up, so I put another soundboard in it as well. So why don't we take a look at this guy? And so that's the gyro light. And when it's an emergency, the gyro light goes out and the red light goes on. There you go. And all the photos should be up on my website in a few days, but you can see we can get a good side shot of this thing. All the louvers are done. You can't really tell that great with this, but you can see, you know, typical SP where it would be in years of service, rusted out. So and the rear had all that stuff removed on it and had covers over it, so it was only the front that still had the gyro light and the emergency light on it. It's kind of hard to see in the video, but that gyro light is there. You can see it flashing. And again, and that. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.